Ang goal natin is to try everything from salad stop. Flavor of the day is none other than Hail Caesar. First time ko mag-wrap and sorry na medyo chaotic and makalat. Pero in fairness, mas nagustuhan ko to kaysa sa salad form niya. Siguro kasi directly kong nalalasahan yung dressing na creamy, tangy, and peppery. Of course, may romaine lettuce, bacon, parmesan, egg, croutons, and nag-add tayo ng chicken so a lot of different textures and flavors. Syempre, mas nakakabusog with the tortilla and medyo mataas din yung calories niya ha. And hello sa mga bago kong na-recruit dito. Ilang po. Thank you po!